Iguazu Falls, made up of some 275 different cascades, falls and drops. Iguazu Falls on the Argentine-Brazilian border is the world's largest waterfall system. As such, it is the only waterfall that can rival or possibly even surpass Victoria Falls for almost 3 kilometers in total. Gorgeous falls course over the Parana Plateau, with the undoubted highlight being Devil's Throat Canyon. This is best witnessed from the Brazilian side's viewing platform, where you are greeted with teeming sheets of water, a deafening roar and a fine spray with lush rainforests lying around it. The falls are a treat to visit. Visitors can take boat trips along the Iguazu River or explore the nearby paths and trails.